Hey guys, my name is Delano Martin and this is my introduction video on how to solve quadratic equations by using the quadratic formula. Okay, as you can see here we have a normal quadratic equation with values a, b and c, and it is equal to 0. 2x squared minus x minus 7 is equal to 0. And down I have the quadratic formula: x is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So today I'm going to show you how to use this quadratic formula. The quadratic formula, as you can see, the second one, I'm going to show you how to use it to solve the quadratic equation to find the value of x. Okay, so let's start. Step 1, what you're going to do is you're going to write down the values of a, b and c in the equation. You guys can see that I wrote down the values. A is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 1, and c is equal to negative 7. So you're going to take all of these numbers and plug it into the formula. Okay, so if you plug in all the numbers, it will look like this. Okay, this is how it will look after you plug in all the values of a, b and c. X is equals to negative 1 plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 7 all over 4. Now the next step will involve simplifying the equation, which means that we're going to break it down, simplify it until we get our final answer. So let's start. Negative times negative is positive, so in the beginning we'll have a positive 1. Then it will be plus or minus the square root of negative 1 squared, which is 1, minus 4 times 2 is negative 8, and negative 8 times negative 7 is negative 56. Oh sorry, I made a mistake. It's negative 1 squared is 1 as I wrote it down. Then negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 8 times negative 7, it's 57, not negative 57. So we will write plus 57. So it will be plus 57. Okay, as you see, I wrote plus 57. Now we will say, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me today. It's not plus 57 because negative 8 times negative 7, it's actually plus 56. So it will be plus 56. And this will be all over 2a. And then we will write it as x is equal to 1 plus or minus the square root of 57, because 1 plus 56 is 57, all over 2 times a, it's 4, all over 4. So as you can see, we cannot simplify it any further. The square root of 57, well, we can leave it as the square root of 57. And then our next step will involve saying 1 plus the square root of 57 over 4. If you take this and plug it into your equation as x is equal to, and then you will get 0. And if you take 1 minus square root of 57 all over 4 and plug it into your equation as x equals this, and then you will also get 0. Let me just show you on the calculator. Okay, so what did we have? We had our normal equation 2x squared, so we will write 2x squared, so it will be 2. I hope you can see, multiplied by x. Remember our value of x was 1 plus the square root of 57 over 4 squared minus x again. Okay, so minus x, so it'll be 1 plus square root of 57. Sorry, yeah, it'll be 1 plus the square root of 57 over 4. 1 not going to square it, and then our next step will be minus 7, and the answer is 0. As you can see, the answer is 0 after we plugged it in. Be sure to check out on more videos of mine. I will be sure to post more maths videos.